You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly and clarify the pronunciation in British English and American English, pronunciations that are slightly different. Cellar is the British English pronunciation. If you want to learn more about wine in particular, stay tuned. Cellar as in a wine cellar. Now, in American English, it's pronounced cellar. How to pronounce cellar, US pronunciation, United States, or cellar, UK pronunciation. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.